Hey everybody, it's Keith with BobsCNC, and I'm here again with my best friend Bob.
Hey Keith, I'm with my best friend Keith, and we're going to talk about, what are we talking about today?
Well, actually what I was hoping to do was to give you a test.
Uh-oh.
As everybody knows...
Do I have a pencil? Do I need a pencil?
No.
Okay.
No, you can't. You're going to have to do, this is a verbal test.
A verbal test?
Yeah, and you do not want to look dumb in front of these people.
Okay.
All right? So, Bob is a great engineer.
Thank you.
He can't spell to save his soul.
Oh, that hurts.
Well, it's
True.
true.
Yeah.
Okay. So anyway, I'm just going to have a simple word for you to spell. Ready?
Okay.
Here's how we're going to start. Success.
That starts with an S.
Yes.
And it ends with an S.
Yes.
And it's got some
Stuff in the middle.
stuff in the, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
Come on, keep working
Is
at
that
it.
like a, am I at a C
Holy
yet?
mackerel. Okay.
S-U-C-C-E-S-S?
Yeah? Yeah, okay.
Did I do
I'm
it?
really impressed.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what a college education will get you. Well, the reason I wanted to start this way is because what I really want you to understand is that's not how you spell success.
Uh-oh.
You spell success with an F.
Profess?
A-I-L.
I see where you're going.
Yeah,
Fail. Or failure.
Or failure.
Yeah.
And it's really important for you to understand that before you ever get to the success of completing what you hope to be able to do, you have to go through a learning process that can be really difficult.
From CNCs to life, right? Everything in life
Yeah,
is
everything.
definitely experience teaches.
You know, it seems, I don't want to get into a social commentary, but it seems that a lot of people are afraid of failure, afraid to not just experience it, but to even be exposed to it.
You know why? They're not as good at it as we are.
Yeah, we've had practice.
Yeah,
This
we've
is
lots
our
of
fourth time on this particular video.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're failures and success, that's for
Yes,
sure.
Absolutely. But I
Okay.
can spell it now.
Well, you know, one of the things Bob tells people all the time when they're calling about questions on setting up their machines or whatever is that there's a learning curve.
A very steep learning
Yeah.
curve, yes.
Yeah, and for me that steep learning curve is like standing in front of a vertical wall that goes straight up and there's no handholds. And I'm not saying that to try to make anybody else feel good about a struggle you might be having. I'm telling you that there's nothing about CNCs that's intuitive to me.
No, after building the machine, have to learn how to set it up, have to learn
Right.
G code and how to set the machine up,
Correct.
send the G code, speeds and feeds. There is a lot that it encompasses. So if you've gotten to where you're good at CNC, you've accomplished something.
And for me, it boils down to I not only have to understand this, but Kristen and I have to sit down and work through the processes of how you build the machine, how the parts all fit together.
Right.
We have to say things in a logical, sensible way that's easy to understand, and that is killer.
That's really tough for marketing people.
Well, no, it's not tough for marketing people. It's tough for people that this is not something that this isn't what is, I can't even succeed.
Something you're not comfortable with.
Thank you.
There
Something
you go.
that I'm very uncomfortable
You're
right
hired.
now. Well, that's okay.
Yeah, I mean, so we have a Facebook group that's fairly large, and really kind of the joke around there is you're going to have plenty of firewood for winter time.
Right.
So right now is a good time to buy
It's
one.
a good time to
'Cause,
buy a CNC. Yes.
Yeah, keep warm while you're doing work.
Yes,
right?
and I have generated quite a bit myself.
Oh, me too. I mean, we've thrown away quite a bit of scrap doing the design work.
Yes.
But the bottom line is if you go out and you look at our gallery on our website, and Shell has got some 3D artwork there,
Right.
among others. It's beautiful and it's awesome, but it takes some experience. You know, I mean, one of the lines I'll leave my customers with sometimes is, don't start off with the Mona Lisa. You know, I mean, write your name or hello world if you're a computer programmer, or just something simple, and then take it a little bit at a time. But if you stay at it and you get experience, well, and truthfully, have some talent.
Well, it's that, and also understand you've got resources in terms of not only help articles and stuff online,
but
our Facebook
article line.
Yeah, you've got guys that'll respond to you with specific advice. Yeah. So don't quit.
Yeah,
that's all we're saying.
Yeah, and if you are struggling, we would recommend first of all that you go out and look at our help center. If you go to our website, you can click on the support, and there's like a troubleshooting section. And Kristen and I are always trying to improve that, you know, based
Right.
on the feedback that we have. But if you can't find something there, shoot an email to the help desk and say, hey, this is my problem. And we'll get somebody that can walk you through it. Or there's always the Facebook group out there that
Yep.
is pretty active and will help you too. So there's a lot of resources that can help you be successful. So
In short, we are here for your success, but we can't help you succeed if you're afraid to fail.
that is true.
So just give it your best shot. Until next time,
All right, we're going
We'll
to
see
go
ya.
back and mess something up.
oh boy.
Yippee.